Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'd like to show you a very special gift that I got. So I'd like to thank Peter for this, Peter and his family for this 3D printed Totoro. So I really love this Totoro. It's so beautifully printed. I love all the detail of Totoro. The leaf on top. It also is whiskers. It also is stomach area. It looks like there's some. It looks so furry for a 3D printed Totoro. Also, thank you to Rose and her kids, Tom and Victoria. The next Totoro is the blue Totoro here. I really love this as well. He's once again holding a bag of goodies, probably some acorns and stuff. Yeah, I really love that detail. And it's actually also a noise maker as well. I'll shake it for you. Yeah, it's rice grains inside the Totoros, which make the noise. The final one is a small Totoro, of course. The small white Totoro. He's playing an instrument that they played when they were sitting on a tree, on top of the giant camphor tree. I guess it's like a trumpet or a flute or something. So anyways, thanks again to Peter and his family for the beautifully printed 3D Totoros. I really love them. Thanks so much. And thank you everyone for watching. Please have a great day.